Hello everyone, welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to see about how to generate MRN number not entered jobless report in Fresa application. So initially you need to log into the system, and after your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now go to My Reports module. Here we have to search for the report. Just click on the report, fill the from date, fill the to date. If you want to get report for a particular department, then you can select here or otherwise click on submit button. Now the report will get generated. If we click on any of these job number, then we will be redirected to job summary page. There you can find all the details of your job. Click on customs and then click on EDI. Here we can find the MRN number has not been entered. That is why this job is reflecting in the report. So MRN number is a movement reference number, and it is a customs identification number that is created every time whenever a declaration is submitted for importing or exporting goods. It uniquely links you with your goods. So it is an 18-digit code. The first 2-digit represents year and the second 2-digit represents the country code, and the remaining 14 digits represents the alphanumeric code. No two shipment or job is having the same MRN number. So in my reports, if you want to download the report, then you can download by clicking on download option available. Or if you want to send this particular report via mail, then you can click on send mail button provided here. Or if you want to navigate to next page of the report, then you can click on next button provided here. If you open this downloaded file, then you can view the preview of the report downloaded. So this is how you can generate MRN number not entered jobless report in Fresa application. Thanks for watching.